Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling something that's super relevant in 2025. How to easily view comments on X, the platform we all know as the rebranded Twitter. Whether you're a casual scroller or a social media pro, knowing how to navigate comments can help you join conversations, spot trends, or just enjoy the buzz around your favorite posts. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the X app installed on your phone or open the website on your computer. X has rolled out some sleek updates in 2025, so updates are key for a smooth experience. Once you're logged in, head to your feed or search for a specific post that interests you. Step 1. Locate the post you want to check out. Tap or click on it to open the full view. You'll notice a new design feature in 2025, a dedicated Engage tab at the top of the post. This is where the magic happens. Simply tap on that tab, and it expands to show all the replies and comments. If you're on mobile, swipe up from the bottom of the post for a quick comments preview. It's a handy new gesture that X introduced to make things faster. On desktop, just scroll down below the post, and you'll see the comments section load automatically. Pro tip: if comments aren't loading, check your internet connection or look for a Load More button at the bottom. Now, once you're in the comments, you can sort them by newest, most popular, or even by topics if you're using the premium features. X has added AI-powered filters in 2025 to help you avoid spam and focus on quality discussions. Feel free to like, reply, or share from there to join the conversation. And that's it. You're all set to explore X comments like a pro. This feature is great for staying connected and informed. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more 2025 tech tips, and drop a comment below letting us know what you think. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.